GoPro. GoPro is an American technology company founded by Mr. Nick Woodman in the year 2002. They manufacture some of the most popular action cameras in the world. They also develop mobile applications and video editing software, but they are popular for their action cameras. GoPro has more than 20 million subscribers on Instagram and more than 10 million subscribers on Facebook. These pages are a very good case study for a strategy called as user-generated content. User-generated content is considered to be one of the most successful strategies for the year 2024. Now, what is user-generated content? It is a process of collaborating with your own customers to create content. So GoPro has a series of action cameras such as Hero series that are accessible and affordable to almost everyone. And it helps the content creators across the globe to capture great quality visuals. So GoPro allows, or rather promote, these content creators to post their content on the official pages of GoPro. And what could be the result? They get n number of videos from content creators across the globe. Now, the strategy for user-generated content is different for different products or services you serve or the brand you own. I would like to know what is your strategy for user-generated content for the year 2024. Let me know.